everyone, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to my channel, and today's video is the very first video in our Diwali series, and today I'm going to show you some easy ways in which you can make beautiful centerpieces that you can put up on your dining table, center tables or side tables and bring in some festive vibes to your homes. And I think most of you might be knowing that I have my other channel by the name of Akansha Sahgal, and I have divided these two channels. The other one will focus on handmade business tips, helping you grow your handmade businesses, and this particular channel is for all the DIYs that I want to share with you guys. And now, without any further talking, let's just get into the video. So the very first idea helps you to amp up the dry fruit or the snack tray that you have put up for your guests. And for this I simply took a glass tray and added few mason jars in the center of it. As you can see, I took 3 mason jars, but you can take as many as you want. And you can get these mason jars easily from the local markets. Now what I did was I took some artificial flowers. I basically took yellow marigold flowers and I added them in the empty space of the tray, as you can see. I simply filled in the whole tray with the marigold flowers with the mason jars in the center, and in the end, once you are done with the flowers, you just need to fill in your mason jars with the snacks or the dry fruits that you want, and your very first centerpiece is ready, which is completely perfect to serve your guests the dry fruits or the snacks when they come to your homes. For the second idea, I took this wine glass and then using a sellotape, I basically added the sellotape at the 3/4 level from the top of the glass, as you can see. This second DIY is a very easy way to convert these wine glasses into beautiful candle holders. And once you are done with adding the sellotape to demarcate your glass or basically divide your glass into 2 sections, what you need is acrylic paint or spray paint of your choice. I took golden spray paint. You can take 2 different colors as well if you want, but I took one golden paint only, and then I went ahead and painted my glass completely. Once you're done adding your paint to the glass, let it dry for a good amount of time, and once it's dry, go ahead and peel off your tape and you'll get one very simple and minimalistic design like this. And then I simply went ahead and added my wine glass candle holder to a beautiful glass plate and added a tea light holder on top of it, and it was ready to beautify my table. The third idea is yet again a very simple centerpiece, and for this you'll need a glass bowl and some artificial flowers of your choice. I went with these purple lilies and I placed them in the center of the bowl, as you can see, and then you just simply need to fill the bowl with water. And once you're done with filling the bowl with water, you'll simply need some floating candles or diyas, and then just add it into your glass. And this beautiful centerpiece is ready to be added to your side tables, center tables, and even nearby your main door as well. For the next idea, I took a dessert plate, and then what I did was I added a wine glass upside down in the center of the plate, as you can see. And then again I took some artificial marigold flowers and added it to the corners of the glass. This idea is again yet very simple but looks very beautiful for your tables or your homes. And then I added this beautiful tea light holder on top of the wine glass, and it was ready to beautify my homes. Also, if you want the tutorial for the tea light holder, I'll leave a link to my previous video in which I made this particular tea light holder in the description box below. And for the last idea, again I took a glass tray, and this time I added a glass bowl in the center of it and filled the glass bowl with water. This idea is again yet a very simple idea, and it actually makes your dining table specifically look very beautiful and elegant. Again, what I did was I added some artificial marigold flowers on the empty space of the tray. Make sure that the glass bowl that you're taking is a size smaller than your tray so that you can add some flowers, and you can take any flowers of your choice, but I feel that those marigold flowers definitely bring in those Diwali vibes to any decor that we make. And in the end, it was time to add some floating diyas in the bowl, and this centerpiece is again ready in just few minutes. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked these ideas, and stay tuned as I have many more videos coming up for you guys for Diwali. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss notifications for that. And also make sure to like, comment and share this video. That would mean a lot to me. Also, I'll be linking my previous year Diwali videos in the description box below so that you can try out those ideas as well and start your festivities on a very high note. And I'll see you guys super soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.